Can sleep monitors track snoring? Have you ever wondered if those sleep monitors can really help you with snoring? Well, you are in for a treat. Many modern sleep monitors, especially those that come as smartphone applications or wearable devices, can track snoring quite effectively. They use sound sensors or microphones to pick up snoring sounds while you sleep. These devices analyze the sounds through special algorithms that can tell the difference between snoring and other noises. This means they can provide you with some pretty detailed information about your snoring habits. You can find out how long you snored, how loud it was measured in decibels, and how often it happened during the night. Some of the more advanced applications and devices even use deep learning or artificial intelligence to improve their accuracy. They can achieve sensitivity and specificity rates often above 85 to 90%. This means they can reliably identify when you are snoring while minimizing false alarms. Tracking snoring is important for sleep wellness. Snoring can be a sign of sleep-disordered breathing conditions like obstructive sleep apnea. By keeping an eye on your snoring patterns over time, these devices can help you understand your sleep quality and any potential health risks. For instance, if you notice a higher percentage of snoring, it might indicate increased upper airway resistance or sleep fragmentation, both of which can affect your overall sleep wellness. Some sleep monitors do more than just track snoring. They can combine snoring data with other signals like body movements, heart rate, and oxygen levels. This gives you a more complete picture of your sleep health. Wearable devices placed on your torso can even detect changes in your body position. This is relevant because your sleeping position can influence how much you snore or the severity of sleep apnea. In practical terms, these sleep monitors can help you improve your sleep hygiene. They can point out habits or conditions that may worsen your snoring, such as your sleeping position or nasal congestion. They can also serve as helpful tools for early screening and ongoing monitoring of sleep-related breathing disorders. This might encourage you to consult with healthcare providers if needed. So, yes, sleep monitors can effectively track snoring. They provide useful data that can support your sleep wellness by identifying snoring patterns and related risks. This information can help you make better choices for your sleep hygiene and overall health management.